Today we will discuss about triple riveted lap type chain type joint. Firstly, we will understand what is triple riveted lap type chain type joint. If we have two plates lie over each other is called lap type, and if there are three holes in between the plates for making riveted joint, then it is called triple riveted because we will use three rivets for making riveted joint. And what is the meaning of chain type? Chain type meaning is that if one hole is at the front of the another hole and this is also at the front of another hole, these three holes are front of each other. This is called chain type. So this is triple riveted lap type chain type joint. Now rivet will be placed in these drilled holes. First rivet will be put in the first hole, and with the help of hammer and die this tail will be reformed like head shape of the rivet and a riveted joint will be made. This is the first rivet. And now second rivet will be placed in the second hole, and with the help of die and hammer this will be make second riveted joint. And when we place third rivet in the third hole, and this will make triple riveted lap type chain type joint because we are using three rivets for making riveted joint between two plates. And now the holes of backward side from these rivets will occupied by the another rivets, and this will make a triple riveted lap type chain type joint. Now we will draw front view and draw view for the triple riveted lap type chain type joint. Firstly, we will draw a reference line, and above this line 16 mm thickness of this plate will be taken. This is 16 mm from this reference line, and from this reference line also a line is taken on the downside. This is also 16 mm. So this is upper plate and this is lower plate. Both plate has same thickness of 16 mm, and a sign is given to the ends of the plates, this zigzag line sign. This will denote that we did not know about the length of the plates, so we use this sign. And on the other side of the plates we will use a 10° or 80° angles. It is used for pressing the plates with the help of a tool so that a tight riveted joint will be created and an efficient riveted joint will make between these two plates. With the help of a tool we will press this plate against this plate and an efficient joint will create it. So this is the plates for the front view. Now we will place three rivets in these plates. Firstly, we have to know about all the specifications of the riveted joints. From the corner of the plate, the first rivet center will be at 1.5 D. This D is the diameter of the rivet, which is 24. We will multiply 24 from 1.5 and the value or the distance between corner and center will calculate it, and this is the distance between corner of the plate and center of the rivet. This is 1.5 D. This is first rivet center. Now we will draw first rivet on the center line. These are the lines at 24 distance because these 24 from the center 12 mm left and 12 mm right. We will take two lines. This is the diameter of the rivet, and with the help of a divider Divider will be placed at that point and it will be open 1.5D by 2 or radius of 1.5D. Then we will draw rivet head from this point, and this rivet head also a specification of 1.5D. Now from downside, by placing divider on that point, another riveted head will be created, and this is first rivet in these plates. Now second rivet center we will find out by 2D plus 6 specification. In case of chain type joint, it is 2D plus 6. We will calculate it and this center will be find out. Now second rivet will be created in the same manner as like first. And now third rivet center will be also at 2D plus 6. Center to center distance between rivets in chain type joint will be 2D plus 6, and third rivet will be created in the same manner, and the corner of the plate from the center will be at 1.5D. So these are the three rivets in these two plates. So this is called triple riveted lap type chain type joint. Now we will draw top view for the triple riveted lap type chain type joint. These are the sectioning lines placed between the plates so that this is the cutting section of the plates. Now we will draw top view for these plates and rivets. Firstly we will draw this upper plate. Now we will take projection from this plate and this plate will be drawn. This is the length of the upper plate and these are the two corners of the plate, and this is all dark lines for the upper plate because we can see upper plate in clear manner. So these are all the dark lines. Now we will draw second plate. This is below the upper plate. This plate will be dotted and dark. These dotted lines shows that this plate is below upper plate. So these lines are dotted, but when this plate will go outside from the upper plate, these lines will make dark. So this is the second plate. Now we will draw rivets on this center line. When we see rivet head from the top side, then we will see a big circle of 1.5D and we will draw it in these plates, and this is the diameter of the rivet which is hidden. So D will be created as dotted part. So bigger circle is of 1.5D and smaller circle is of D, diameter of the rivet, and at the distance of 3D between center to center distance of the circle, another two circles are created, and we will make minimum 3 circles in the top view, and this is the first rivet top view. For another two rivets the same procedure will be followed, and these rivets will be created in the top view. These circles are in front of each other, so this is called chain type joint. So this is the front view and top view for triple riveted lap type chain type joint. Thank you for seeing this video. For more updated videos, you can subscribe on my channel Learn and Grow. Thank you.
For making riveted joint in machine drawing, we have to know about a basic formula of riveted joint, which is D equal to 6 root T. What is D? D is the diameter of rivet. T is thickness of plate in between riveted joint will make. H is the head diameter of rivet. Now we see these things in figure. This is rivet. This is H, head diameter of the rivet. This is head diameter. This is D. This is the diameter of the rivet, which will go in the hole. And what is T? T is the thickness of the plate. This T is the thickness of the plate in between the riveted will be placed and riveted joint will make. How this formula will work? Formula is D equal to 6 root T. In the problem, we have given T or D. Then if T is given, if T value is 16, then what will be the D value? D will be 24. So if anyone is given in this formula, we can calculate other thing. If T is given, then we can calculate D, diameter of the rivet. If D is given, then we can calculate T, thickness of the plate. So basic things are T and D, which is required for making riveted joint